Hello, and welcome to Direct Line. I'm Tony Good. In today's edition, we take a short look at the Schneider Electric acquisition of Invensys. What does it mean for both companies? What does it mean to customers and partners? And what does the combination mean for employees? These questions and more will be addressed by senior executives of both companies, Clemens Blum of Schneider Electric and Mike Caliel of Invensys. Clemens, Mike, welcome.
Thank you, John.
Clemens, let's start with you maybe. What is Schneider Electric's rationale for the acquisition of Invensys? What does Schneider Electric hope to gain through this acquisition?
Well, Tony, first of all, I think it's worthwhile to mention that this is one of the biggest acquisition we have done over the recent years. So it's pretty important for Schneider Electric. Second, Schneider Electric is really going for energy efficiency, energy management solutions. These are solutions our customers are asking for, and we believe with this acquisition, with the acquisition of Invensys, first of all and foremost, we can enforce our position in energy management, energy efficient solutions. Second, we get on top much better access to energy-rich segments, customers and markets. That's more or less the rationale behind this acquisition.
And why are software and automation so important to Schneider Electric?
Software, first of all, you see today the convergence of the IT and OT world, the operations technology world, the information technology worlds. Second, what I quite often used to say is this is the area where you catch mindshare of customers. Mm-hmm. This is where you master the control room. This is where you provide superior, in our case, based on real-time information to our customers, which then help them to make much better business decisions in short time.
And Mike, how do you see the companies being better together than they would have been apart? What can they accomplish as a combination than they couldn't independently?
Yeah. Well, I think certainly the breadth of offering that the two combined companies will bring to the marketplace is formidable, and provides clients, especially in the energy-intensive sectors, with a tremendous portfolio of technologies and expertise. Beyond that, the reach, the scale, and the reputation of Schneider Electric, I think, is something that will benefit both companies as we go into these energy-intensive markets.
Okay, and how do you think this combination will help customers? What is a customer going to get from this that they wouldn't otherwise be able to have?
Well, I think clearly beyond just the obvious benefits that come with scale, there are opportunities to open up new markets, a broader portfolio of products and services and expertise that the combined entities can bring to bear in these markets is one of the key benefits that the Schneider organization will provide.
Okay. And Clemens, what about you? What do you think customers will get from this?
Look, I think this acquisition is pretty unique in terms of complementarity of the offer. This is exactly where our customers are going to benefit from. Invensys is extremely strong in the process industry. We have a good position of Schneider Electric side in the discrete automation area. On top of that, we have a very rich energy offer, low voltage, medium voltage, switchgear, all the means you need to get the energy safe into a plant, into an operation. So the combined portfolio is pretty unique then also in the market.
Okay. And so if I'm a customer, I hear these things and I get kind of excited, about the opportunities and the possibilities. But I also kind of wonder, how is this going to change how I interface with Schneider Electric, or how does this change how I interface with Invensys? And so I'm a customer. What do I do differently going forward?
Okay, I would say when I look at the integration scenario we have worked upon in the last weeks and months already, is the customers are on the first priority list. So we are going to see the most important 250, 300 customers and explain customer by customer how things are going to move forward and how we are going to cooperate in the future.
Mm-hmm. Mike, any thoughts on that?
Well, I think to echo Clemens' comments, our objective is to keep this transparent to our customers and certainly bring the benefits of the combined entities to our customers as quickly and as demonstrably as possible. Beyond that, clearly I think there's some opportunities with the respective of technology roadmaps, continuing with the technology roadmaps that we have, bringing combined resources to bear on our customers. But our objective is to really make this transparent to our customers and demonstrate very quickly the benefits that this combined offering can provide.
Mm-hmm. Well, regarding technology roadmaps, what do you see? Schneider Electric has one, Invensys has one. Is there going to be a common technology roadmap created, or how are you going to handle that situation?
Look, we have tried to look into this in more detail in the recent weeks, but of course we have been guarded by our legal watchdogs, which have made sure that we don't cross the borderline pre-closing. So, but on the other side, what we have seen so far, again, what I said before, the offer is pretty complementary. So what we believe, in contrary, this combination of different technologies will accelerate the individual roadmaps. We have very, very few areas of overlap. Most of that 98% is complementary, and we believe strongly that we can accelerate the different roadmaps of the different entities.
Okay. So how does this going to affect systems integrators and partners of both companies? These are the ecosystem that both Schneider Electric and Invensys work with to bring more value to customers. What happens to systems integrators and partners of both companies today?
You wanna?
Yeah, well, I think it's clear that the ecosystem within Invensys is an important and an integral part of our business strategy, and I think the discussions that we've had certainly would support that on the Schneider Electric side. So my message to our broad ecosystem would be continue to demonstrate the value that you've demonstrated, and there'll clearly be a meaningful role going forward for our partners.
Well, Mike, thank you very much, and Clemens, thank you. And thank you for watching this edition of Direct Line. We'll continue to keep you informed on the Schneider Electric and Invensys combination. If you have questions on how this new combined entity can help your business, please direct them to your normal contacts. I'm Tony Good, and thank you for the continued trust you place in Schneider Electric and Invensys people and technology.